Barbara in Birmingham already calling in. Barbara, we appreciate your call this evening. Appreciate you staying up late with us. If you will, go right ahead with your question for Travis.
I need to know if you can get your criminal record expunged on your own, or do you have to have a lawyer to do that? It was like domestic violence with the gun present, but it was eventually like thrown out.
Travis, that's been an evolving area of law in Alabama, hasn't it?
Correct. Yeah, there's actually been some pretty recent updates about expungement. To kind of initially answer your question, do you have to have a lawyer? You don't have to. I'd highly recommend you get one, certainly one that specializes and does a lot of expungements. And specifically, there are some things that aren't eligible to be expunged. But the law is actually very, very clear, and it enumerates exactly what can and can't be done and the waiting periods for each one of those things.
So Barbara's domestic problem, would that be something that may be subject to expungement?
Potentially. She would have to really look at exactly what it says. Domestic violence is one of those things that traditionally you can't expunge. She said it may have been dismissed, which may or may not change that for her.
Excellent.
Wonderful. Okay, well, Barbara, thank you so much for calling in tonight.